You're in heaven? What's going on up there?
What? What? I can't hear you from up here.
I won't come back to the office. I'm gonna stay here.
I love mushrooms. All kinds of mushrooms. Wow, that is really juicy.
Add some lime on it. Oh.
Don't forget the lime.
Some say it's fancy food and some say it's street food. Today we're gonna try Jigar, the Persian word for liver. We are in Dombeh Islami Square in Isfahan, and we're gonna try Jigar at Kabob Kidney, our favorite shop. Let's go.
All right, guys, so we're gonna show you the proper way to eat at a Jigari. So, Panyan, please.
What is this?
This is, I think, chicken with a little bit of
Pepper.
Peppers are dangerous. You never know.
Danger, danger.
When they're gonna.
I think when they barbecue it, it's much more dangerous. So you gotta watch it.
That's
Are you
true.
ready?
Let's do it. So you take the bread, guys. You take the bread and you just slide it right off. I did it wrong. I was supposed to rip off the bread first. Yeah, guys, don't learn from me.
Oh boy, so you actually learned something today?
She knows
From the
how to do it better.
master.
See, that's how you do it. And then I think you put a little bit of.
Yeah, squeeze some lime on top of it.
That's an important ingredient.
Yeah.
So I'm trying it with the pepper. God help us.
There's like a 30% chance they'll both die.
Bon appetit. It's so soft.
Very soft.
I think they marinated in something.
And the pieces are really small, so it's really well cooked and juicy at the same time.
No, you cook long enough, this is bound to happen.
I think they put it on the grill for like 2 minutes.
Yeah, definitely.
See, really small, cute little pieces. Wow, that is really juicy.
Who likes the juice?
I like the juice.
I love it. For everybody that tries chicken kebab, try to find a place that does really small chunks like this, to where it just keeps the flavor and the richness. So
I want to eat it like,
Did something break?
like manly style. So we get a little sandwich, which is a cute bite for men, and then some chicken, and then lime on top. Can I have all of that? And then onions on it. To just balance it, add some basil on it, and voila. Roll it over.
We have so much to learn from you.
All the ingredients together taste really better. Now I find out why men have it like that.
manly.
That's sexist. No, it's not.
Yeah, it kind of is.
Okay.
A lot of places also offer like other kinds of kebabs. Like this is mushroom kebab. That was tomato kebab. But the mushrooms are also incredibly delicious. So I highly recommend if you go to a shop and they have other stuff other than jigar, try it. I love mushrooms. All kinds of mushrooms.
If you're vegetarian coming to Iran, you cannot taste anything like the kebab. You're gonna have the mushroom.
This is the unboxing.
What could it be inside? Meat, fish, rabbits, frogs.
This is really interesting. They cover it in like a quilt. So here we have the heart, and these are the sheep fat.
This is the real heart.
That's why we came here.
Yeah, this is the real reason.
This part is the liver.
So we don't let a single part of the sheep go to waste. We eat every single last part.
That's what I love about Iranian culture.
They don't waste.
They don't waste.
No,
We
no.
eat every single organ.
And we make carpets out of the fur, so we literally use every single part of the
single.
animal forever.
you want your bite taste better, use this oily bread underneath. So I'm gonna change it. Yeah.
This is the bread you guys want to use underneath your kebab because all the juices from the kebabs are inside the bread, and it just makes it so much more juicy.
Juicy, juicy, juice, 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 juice. I love you more than anyone.
I think we're getting ready for the bulking season. Add some lime on it. Oh.
Don't forget the lime. Put one little bit of fat on it.
Okay. Oh,
Just a tiny
look
little.
at
It's super, super. Oh my god.
that. You're in heaven? What's going on up there?
What? What? I can't hear you from up here.
Damn it!
Fat tastes really good. They just grilled it. I don't think they marinated, but just
Yeah, they just.
disappear in my mouth. What's the best
No.
word?
It really does melt right in your mouth. Like it's very squishy, right? It's just a piece of fat, and it's grass fed, so it's super, super light, and it literally melts as soon as it touches your mouth.
I won't come back to the office. I'm gonna stay here. I like the hard one. It's more chewy and it gives me the pleasure that I need. Oh yeah. It's more chewy. They all taste the same. What else?
I think it's a tougher meat. It's tougher than the
Oh, yeah.
liver. The liver is very, very soft and it kind of breaks apart in your mouth. It has a very, very unique meat texture. It's not like any other meat you've ever had. But the heart is a lot more like the steaks that you're used to. So if you want something that's more close to regular Western steaks, get the heart. If you want to try something new and something that's a lot bigger local favorite, try the liver.
I'm from the South, man. Give me some steak.
And the fat.
Oh, and the fat.
And the fat.
You know what? Just
definitely
get the fat. Forget the liver. Just get the fat.
What's your son doing?
Last but not least, the classic wing and drumsticks.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So these are Iranian style wings. So they're a little bit crispier, a little bit more barbecue flavor. I think they put some saffron on it.
Definitely.
That's why it has a little bit of the golden
Everything
color.
in Iran has the hint of saffron taste.
Just a little bit of saffron.
Just a little bit.
All right, let's try it.
Bon appetit.
Oh yeah.
Oh. It's a little bit spicy.
Really? Mm-hmm. I think mine's a little bit sweet because every place uses a different kind of concoction of spices for their wings.
Mm-hmm.
This place uses a kind of like a sweet and sour kind of blend. So it's crispy on the outside and it's got a sweet and tangy kind of taste. It's really delicious.
It's not well cooked. It's a little bit raw. I really love the texture.
If the food you're eating isn't all over your hands and face,
That's not a good.
is it really food? Like, you know, that's what real food is, guys. Dirty food.
Stop. I like you dirty.
If the taste is too strong for you, you can wash it off with some Doogh, the classic Iranian drink based on yogurt, it has lots of herbs in it, mint, and it tastes really good.
Doogh is a local favorite. It's definitely not for everybody. Not a lot of people have tried yogurt drinks.
But it's worth trying because you can feel the Iranian cuisine.
It has some gas, so it has some carbonation. It has that little bit of yogurt taste, so it has the sourness of the yogurt, and it has those herbs that give it that earthy taste.
Yeah, definitely.
It's really, really delicious, and I totally recommend you get some Doogh with your kebabs, with your jigar, with anything that's Iranian. It's amazing. But it's definitely a taste that you have to try and, you know, might get used to it. So, hope you guys like it. If you do, let us know in the comments below.
Best thing about Doogh is you can get a relaxing time afterwards. Just loosen your tie, relax.
Guys, I hope you are inspired to come here and try the jigar. It's definitely a local favorite. It's a unique flavor that you really won't find anywhere else. Even places that do serve Iranian food, jigar holds a special place in the heart of Iranians. So, thank you for joining us. Let us know what you thought of the video. Let us know what you want to see in our next videos, and we hope to see you in the next one.